Hello, today we're going to make soft and chewy chocolate chip cuffins. They're great for any holiday and they're very tasty.
A cuffin is a crossbred between a muffin and a cookie.
Okay, let's get started. For the ingredients you need 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar tightly packed, 1 1/2 cup of margarine, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 4 1/4 cups of flour, and a bag of chocolate chips.
Yeah. So first you gotta mix the 1 1/4 sugar into a bowl, and then you gotta add the 1 1/4 brown sugar tightly packed into the bowl. Don't worry if it stays in a circle. And then the 1/2 margarine into the bowl, and then just And then you gotta take a beater, and then you gotta beat the brown sugar and eggs in the bowl until fluffy. So it may take a while.
So now we're gonna move on to the next step, which is to beat the eggs for the next part that we're doing. So to beat the eggs, you just crack them. And you crack them open like that. And you crack them. And then we're gonna beat the eggs.
When you get the mixture fluffy, add the eggs and the vanilla.
So now that the eggs are already beaten, we're going to add the vanilla to this mixture and just mix it for a little. And then we can add it to our original mixture.
And then once you add that, add the 2 tablespoons of baking soda and put it in. And then get the 1/2 tablespoon of salt and put it in. That's what makes the cookies more moist. It soaks up the moisture. And then the 4 tablespoons, or 4 cups and 1/4 of flour, and just put it in. And mix well until fluffy.
Now that the cookie dough is nicely mixed and moist, we add the bag of chocolate chips. I like to mix it well. This will only take about 1 minute. Now while he's mixing, I will spray the pan with Pam. After you've made the cookie dough into balls, you put them in the muffin tin, and then you preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And then after it's preheated, you put it in there for 8 to 10 minutes till it's lightly golden brown. Now we're going to put the cookie dough inside the oven. And we're going to close it. And then wait 8 to 10 minutes. Now that the cookies are done, we're going to carefully take them out of the oven. We're going to put them right here.
And you gotta close this
Yeah, and then Nick is going to close that.
so you don't cause fire.
And then we're going to put those away. And they're done. And these are the cuffins. And these are the extra cookies that we made. And this is the ginormous cookie that we made.